Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 63 on fancy dupattas and suit pieces. I'll be showing today various types of dupattas mainly in katha, kalamkari and also threadwork, along with some new suit pieces that have just arrived. So please watch and like, share and subscribe. What I'm wearing is a simple silk jamewar kurta. So I'll just show you what I'm wearing. It's a woven textured, it's a fully woven jamewar kurta which I've done with coconut shell buttons, little simple detailing in the sleeves, and it's a straight A-line cut just below the knee. So this is priced rupees 2550. We can make a black for you, and this is a rich maroon color also. This kind of a kurta if you have, you can wear it with a lot of dupattas, with Banarasi dupattas, with these katha, kalamkari, lots of dupattas. So I've just made one for myself just to show how it looks on wearing with the dupattas. So black is also available, and we can make a men's kurta out of this also, which would be priced 2750. You can check out our menswear collection in Facebook page where there are jamewar kurtas very much in demand, very comfortable and very rich look and reasonably priced. Along with this is the product number 1 which I am showing. This is priced rupees 1250. It's a cotton kalamkari dupatta, full length dupatta, 2.5 meters. This is the dupatta, cotton kalamkari, 1250 rupees. Product number 2, again a cotton kalamkari. See, it's in black and red rust color. Another cotton kalamkari. See, even this is looking good with this kurta. Same price, 1250 rupees. So this is the full length. You can make other things also with this. You can make a lovely kurta or a skirt also. Would look very nice. Product number 2, 1250. Product number 3 in modal silk ajrak. Product number 3, dupatta full length, 2850 rupees, 2850. Modal silk ajrak dupatta, 2850. Again can be used for multiple purposes, and its base color is chiku color along with, natural tussar color, along with steel grey, bluish grey and rust block print. It's hand block, pure ajrak. This is the dupatta. Very lovely flowy silk modal. Now product number 4, pure tussar Nokshi katha. So in case I miss out the prices, all you have to do is check out the description part. Like you see, the the product name and the price is already mentioned. You have to take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number provided. To WhatsApp number, you can send to any one of the WhatsApp number. Many of you complain that you are not getting the notifications. So for notifications, you have to subscribe. It's absolutely free, of course. And then you have to press the bell icon which is on your right hand side. There are 3 options. Just press the all notifications option, where you will get regular notifications as soon as I upload the video. So this is the process to get first you will be able to get the notification only if you do the following. This is product number 4, pure tussar Nokshi katha handwork. Just see the beautiful work with red border, and this is price rupees 3800 rupees, 3800 in tussar, pure tussar. So I'll be showing few Nokshi kathas. Porpor kichu Nokshi katha dupatta in toshor, 3800 again. In black and white, just see the work. I've just added a red putty to give it a little twist. Full length dupatta. Product number 6, orange all over work, pure tussar. This is the. So last episode many of you missed out on the dupatta, so these are the new collection that has come. জবা ফুলের ওপর পুরো নকশি কাঁথা তসরে, সুন্দর পরিষ্কার নিট কাজ। Just with this kurta you can just throw a dupatta, see how elegant it looks. Here is the product number 8, tussar katha, bird figures along with florals. So many colors have been used, all over work, tussar katha. Since there are so many colors that has been used, you can make any color dupatta, even if you wear black as I told you. Also bottle green will look nice. You can wear a tussar color kurta also, which I had worn in my previous tussar katha dupatta episode. I had worn a tussar one that also will look very smart with these dupattas. See, this is in bird, all over embroidery, handwork. So you can wear these little jewelries that these are beautiful premium jewelry, embedded hand made. The set along with the earring is 1950, 1950 rupees with tassel. You can lengthen the length. You can wear it with saris also. Just check out the beautiful setting of the stones, and also it comes with this earrings. So this is the jewelry, about the jewelry part. And then you can visit our stores. We have 2 branches where there are many options of these handmade jewelries. 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The other branches 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, both in Baliganj. So you can check out more options of jewelries in the branches. This is the tussar, another tussar dupatta, price 3800. Product number 11, tussar reverse katha in black. Extremely neat finish. Just see the handwork. Lovely piece. I think this is also same price. Product number 14, 3800. Product number 15, Nokshi Katha again, 3850. 3850 rupees. I'm showing very closely the embroidery so that you can have a look at how it looks from the front, how neat the work is. Just check out how well the filling has been done. This shows these are not amateur karigars. These are all very experienced, skilled karigars. Hence this finish and the the look. The look comes from the finish. This is in a dark snuff color, mehndi green kind of a color, with again Nokshi Katha embroidery. 3850, 3850 rupees in dual tone. And the work, as I've told you, I'm showing you from very close so that you can have a proper look at the embroidery. This is the look. Product number 14, tussar Nokshi in light orangish color. It's not actually orange, it's mustard orange color actually. It's a different unique shade. Nokshi Katha again, all over work, hand work, pride of Bengal. Product number 15, dupattas. Today I am showing you dupattas till now. See the color, pretty, the dark green color, dark viridian green with beautiful floral and leaves thread work in Nokshi again. This is the, see, even if you wear two corporate wears, really stand out, because these are, even for gifting these will also look very nice. Now Tussar acid paint with geometric katha. Just see how, just adding some colors to your wardrobe. Very pretty, all over Guriran katha in Tussar dupatta. This is the lower part. Geometric katha. Since these are multicolor, I may not have exactly mentioned the color. I have just written multi probably, but just check out the numbers. If you just follow the numbers, the exact product will be shipped to you. On messaging, you will get the reply within 24 hours. After the payment, please send the screenshot. Once you send the screenshot, we will ship it to you within 2 to 3 working days. This is another very pretty dupatta, 3,500 rupees. These are priced 3,500. Just see the back part. See how pretty it looks with this kurta. If you tell me the size, I can stitch it and send it to you along with your, if you take any of the dupattas, you can make these kind of kurtas. You have to give me some time to stitch the kurtas, and then it can be shipped to you. If you want any customization of this kurta, that is possible. Suppose you want a collar, or you want a longer sleeve or a longer length. But then if you want a more longer sleeves or the length, probably the charge will slightly differ, but you can of course do it accordingly. But I think this simple kurta with a this 3/4 sleeves looks pretty nice, even at because the weather is not also very cool now, right? So 3/4 sleeves will look nice also. See, this is also another dupatta in geometric acid paint with Guriran katha, 3,500 rupees. This also in Tussar. Product number 19. Again a circular motif, but all the colors will differ. There will be some changes, so I am showing whatever has just come. These are all handwork, so it takes a lot of time. So today whatever I am showing you has just arrived. This is the dupatta. Product number 20. So see, I am giving you many options to choose from. So I hope you will like the episode. Please leave a comment if you like my products. Please share it among your friends. Recommend if you like Sanskriti Kolkata, and please visit, for local customers, please visit the branches, and for those who are staying outstation, of course we can ship it in Kolkata, cash on delivery possible. Outside Kolkata via courier, charges applicable. This is the dupatta. The last one in Tussar katha is this in rust. See, very colorful, vibrant handwork and little different. 3,500 rupees. Soft and very comfortable also. Now here comes art tussar with zari work and vegetable block print, 1450. This is art silk, and then this has been done batik printing in discharge with silver zari mirror work. Of course, we don't use the mirrors, we use the mica. It has a sheen and it is priced only 1450 rupees, 1450. It's in slate color, it's a bluish grey color. It's a full length dupatta. You know, if you have white chicken kurtas, it will look very nice with those white chicken kurtas. And even with this maroon, I think it's looking good because grey goes very well with reds and maroons and ranis. And this is a uncommon shade of bluish grey. Now comes indigo, same price 1450 in art tussar with silver mirror work and discharge print batik. This is done in block with mirror works. Just to keep the range reasonable, I've used art tussar, but I think for dupatta it's very comfortable and good quality. 1450 rupees. This is the dupatta. Now comes Ajrak modal 2200 with dye. See, I've done some dyeing in the pallu part, and the body will be in pure silk modal Ajrak. This part is the shibori dye, tie and dye. Product number 25, similar one, bandhej with Ajrak. Indigo. Very soft, pure modal. These are all pure modal. Now this comes in bottle green, Ajrak again with body in tie and dye. Full length dupattas. Here is the lower part printing. Product number 27. Even the width is very broad. Here is the tie and dye in the upper part, and then you can and the last one in dupatta number 28, price 2200. Again Ajrak with tie and dye in the pallu. These are all hand block original Ajrak. So maybe there will be a few spots of colors or prints here and there, but that's very natural in these hand blocks. Hand batik, hand blocks, these are not done by machine or screen prints. So these will have the natural look of your handwork, obviously will be there. This is the dupatta. So till here the dupattas, and now it will be for suits. Chanderi Banarasi, cotton chanderi for summer, pastel shade in a shade of pink, totally woven with all over jal woven dupatta. Just see the dupatta, jal weave dupatta. Product number 21, price 4,350 rupees, 4350. Here is the kurta, will have chota booties with resham and zari, and the bottom will be plain dual tone. Product number 30, it's 4350, same one in mustard yellow. It's a very pretty yellow, very soothing, sober yellow with, see, dupatta, jal weave Banarasi, buta in the kurta with the border which you can use in collars or sleeves or paneling, and then comes the plain bottom part. Product number 30. Here it is. Product number 31. Sea green, aqua color. Same price 4350. Looks very good for formal summer wear. Kurta, bottom, dupatta. Full length dupatta with tassels. Product number 32 in peach color. This is this will have a jal weave in the body and also in the dupatta. Jal weave body and dupatta. This is the bottom, rustish peach. Here is the border. These are for festive use but reasonably ranged, so we can use it for your summer formals. Similar one in jal weave. Those who want buta weave can take the buta weave. This is the jal weave, similar, more or less the similar color, but jal weave dupatta and kurta also. All will have a lower part. Full length suit set, unstitched, 4,350 rupees, 4350. This is product number 34. Very pretty color, pinkish, actually these are dual tone, so it's pinkish color. This is the kurta and this is the bottom. With tassels. I'll just open one suit piece to show you approximate how it is, the fabric, so that you can have an idea. See, this is the kurta fabric. So all the ones that I showed you, I'm just opening a sample piece for you to understand. So front, back, there's full length 2.5 meter fabric, big width, the bottom in chanderi, dual tone, and this dupatta. So I hope this is clear. Now comes something very smart and uncommon. This is pure Bandhe Georgette Gota Patti work. I'll definitely open this. This is the kurta. Here is the kurta. This is actually for party wear or for for mehndi or sangeet occasion, any formal occasion. All handwork. Just check out the pearl detailing along with the gota embroidery in the yoke. See, red bandhej, original bandhej in pure georgette with all over work in the body also. Crepe bottom, and this is product number 35 and the price is 6,800 rupees, 6800. With this, this is the sleeves. Okay, this is the sleeves. With this you are getting a very pretty thread work chiffon dupatta. It has chicken self embroidery. It's a very smart piece and very rich looking. Here is the dupatta. I have two colors in this. One is red. I've just made two colors, red, and the other one is Rani. Two favorite colors of ours. Similar one, bandhej, Rani and red. Same dupatta and the kurta. Again you will get a similar bottom. We have our tailoring unit. If you want, we can stitch it and send it to you according to your size. Even this color is very, very pretty color. Pure crepe, georgette and original bandhej. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.